Next up, representing the 4th grade of South Country, let's have a little butter. Wonderful job. But finales need to hear the audience.